Hardware County 911, what's the address of... Sorry, is there any serious bleeding?
I said yes, bro.
Okay. Is he completely alert?
Is he what?
Is he completely alert?
Did you hear him? Do you not hear this man, bro?
Sir, I'm asking you, is he completely alert? Are you with him now?
He's neutralized until you guys get here.
Who you a fool for this?
Yeah, bitch. I end up
Hit that hoe in my socks.
go.
Oh Lord, Jetson made another one.
Get into it with one shoe on.
Hit that hoe in my socks.
Go. Poppin' shit, how I pop it. Riding around with that Glock. Yeah. Talking shit like my mama.
Come
Yeah.
on.
Ready to hit like my pop.
Come on.
Come fuck around with me, fuck around. You gon'
Fuck around, get shot.
Let's go, bitch. I ain't giving warnings to niggas. I'm stepping. Pull out that 40 on niggas and pull out that 40 on niggas and bless. If you good with the Lord, then I send you to heaven. If not, go to hell, little nigga. Trigger happy, I'ma drop shells, little nigga. Go. Bond money, we don't fuck with jail, little nigga. Anybody around me pay the bail and go get it. Hope they hating shit working out. The black and the white people, both of my dick is I'm versatile. Baby, that nigga you heard about. I fucked on her, she is squirting now. I like how she talk, I'ma lower her. Kitty, say whatever to get that little kitty. Niggas ever ain't tripping on titty. Take this bread and go get me a glizzy. Fuck bitch, get money, got it tatted on my thighs. I see it every time a nigga shit.
Except the ones that cut the pounds like my first baby mama.
But still my little gangster gave me rented. Bitch, I been playing nigga silly. Go. If she come earning some stripes, I might let her spend the night. Keeping on one of my Nikes. Freaking 3 hoes like a dyke. Yeah. Getting into it with one shoe on.
Hit that hoe in my socks.
Let's go. Poppin' shit, how I pop it. Riding around with that Glock. Yeah. Talking shit like my mama. Yeah. Ready to hit like my pop. Come on. Come fuck around me, fuck around me.
Fuck around, get shot.
Go. Yeah. Watch how you talk to me, please. I get angry. I get angry like my brother G. Let's go. I was little, I pissed in the bed. Sleep head to toe with my big brother Reed. I don't care how the fuck I go out. I bet it won't be about no motherfucking free. When I say I go out, I ain't talking about down. I ain't leaving no sooner than 73. I pull up Chevelle, that's a 72. I do everything way better than you. Bitch ass niggas, I ain't caring what you do. Bitch ass nigga, I ain't scary, I'ma shoot. Bitch get missing, I ain't caring if she cute. Nah, for real, probably keep it too real. Ain't no secret, can't keep my little chill. Niggas gon' eat dick to keep that little deal. Lost 20 million for keeping it real. 20 million. And I ain't even tripping. I don't give a fuck about no money. Long as I can take care of all my children, all of my nieces, nephew, mama, and cousin. They ain't yelling free Dashman and Sparkle. I just shot my baby mama some money and told her I love her, I'm thuggin'.
Then I end up
Getting into it with one shoe on.
hitting that hoe in my socks.
Yeah, poppin' shit, how I pop it. Riding around with that Glock. Talking shit like my mama. Yeah, ready to hit like my pops. Come fuck around me, fuck around me.
Fuck around, get shot, nigga.
Yeah.
Fuck the hoe in my socks.
Yeah, I hear the niggas talking, I don't even, yeah.
That's my baby.
No. Oh Lord, Jetson made another one.
Yeah, I hear the niggas talking, I don't feel it. Keep it real with me, you is not a real nigga. Walking like your advice, I don't listen. Standing on business, staying out of my feelings. Ain't a killer, but the nigga don't push me. If any nigga push me, I'ma turn to a killer. Just enlisted in the one-man army. All you need is some balls and a gun to be a member. I'm ready to slang it. Yeah, I'm gon' let that bitch bang it. Bitch, I'm ready to bang it. I been that little nigga. I had horse bread and pistols. Yeah, before I ever was famous. A little nigga been trippin'. My little bitch trippin' too. Got a thick little replacement, so plenty of pounds. Before I rap a word, now I spent the brick on my bracelet. I'ma make niggas pick up their gangs, talk to them. I'ma make niggas take care of their kids. I'ma make niggas use them little guns in their videos, knowing they ain't slinging shit. I'ma thug it with her if she loyal. If anything change, I'ma switch out my bitch. And I'ma watch everything that's around me. If niggas ain't right, I'ma switch out the clip. Yeah, I hear the niggas talking, I don't feel it. Keep it real with me, you is not a real nigga. Walking like your advice, I don't listen. Standing on business, staying out of my feelings. Ain't a killer, but the nigga don't push me. If any nigga push me, I'ma turn to a killer. Just enlisted in the one-man army. All you need is some balls and a gun to be a member, nigga. You know, when I wish some of you niggas love me the way I love you, man. You know what I'm saying? Niggas and bitch. But understand everybody's heart, everybody's mind. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's soul ain't set up the same. I'm one of them. Show that, you know. And if you ready to die, I'm ready to kill. You know what I'm saying? Know that. On the other hand, you know, if you still willing to try, you know, I'm ready to help you live, nigga. You know, no love lost somebody. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, you know what I mean? I stand 10 toes down. Like I was when you found me, nigga or bitch. Let's go, bitch. Yeah, I hear the niggas talking, I don't feel it. Keep it real with me, you is not a real nigga. Walking like your advice, I don't listen. Standing on business, staying out of my feelings. Ain't a killer, but the nigga don't push me. Any nigga push me, I'ma turn to a killer. Just enlisted in a one-man army. All you need is some balls and a gun to be a member, bitch.
That ain't the.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody can hear me. Hope everybody can see me. Hope everybody's blessed. You guys had an amazing night and you're having a beautiful morning. Of course, we'll say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
And I really appreciate it. Now let's get it. We got about 6 minutes till NYSE. Yesterday, we took a loss, unfortunately. And it was a slow day. But today, I think we should be able to recover. It's the last week of the month. We're going to be starting a new month next week. So, closer for the week is going to be important. October 1st is Saturday. All right? So just keep that in mind. We do have a few folders of news for the remainder of the week. We've got one today at 10. CB Consumer Confidence. Let's read that. See what it's about. All right. Actual grading forecast is good for currency. As usual, released monthly on the last Tuesday of the current month. Okay. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. A lot of this stuff is important, too, especially now around this time, because we're heading into the holiday season, right? So figuring out how much consumers are spending or if they're even spending at all is important. You know, it's important for the economy to really understand, to see where we're heading into next year and so on and so forth. Sales and Christmas, you know, all that good stuff. So we've got an important folder here at 10 o'clock. So we'll be looking forward to that. All right. And again, yeah, tomorrow, orange folder, FOMC member. Another orange folder on Thursday, FOMC member. And then Friday. Friday's a bank holiday. Friday says it's a bank holiday. Oh, for CAD. Okay. But we still have FOMC speaking. So they're speaking pretty much all week. So we'll look into that more tomorrow. Today we're dealing with consumer price. Consumer, what is it? Consumer confidence. Got it. All right, let's get into the charts. Let's start setting some support resistances. Try to look for some trades today. So we see here, this is the monthly, right? So if you look to the left, very similar action, right? It's just flipped. Here we have bullish movement. Here we have the bearish movement. I'm expecting next month to just create a bit of a top wick, and then we're going to keep dropping. So that's just my prediction. So we're currently at support. So now we got to see how we're going to maneuver this. Let's go into the weekly. Oh, let's set some trend lines first. Right here. The bottom of the wick for our current month candle. Let's set another one. Let's make it the bottom of the previous month candle close and open. Let's get into the week. And that's what we did talk about before as well. I did say how we are on the weekly 200 SMA and we should be bouncing off of it. Right? Let's take a look at the daily. So yesterday we had the push down. And yeah, we kissed that 200 SMA on the weekly. And so far today, we're pushing up. So my bias is bullish. We're at support. We created the bottom wick. I think we're just going to kind of keep going up. All right, so today's bias is bullish. So we will be looking for some buys. All right. All right. So for the previous 4 hours, since maybe 7 p.m. last night, we've been bullish. We've been very bullish. Oh, that's what happened. We wanted to get buys yesterday. I forgot. We wanted to get those buys yesterday, but at 10 o'clock, it was a bearish candle. It wasn't a bullish candle. That's what happened. We expected the continuation, but we didn't get it. All right, it's not a problem. Today we definitely should be able to find some entries. Let's look at where I want some closures, right? I want a closure above 11,434. I want a nice closure above, and I'll look for some buys today, okay? That is what I will be looking for, okay? Could try to set some targets as well. Let's do that. Let's make this wick here. Target 1. It's not bad. So if we get a closure above about roughly 50 points, so it's a good range. Let's get up here. This would be target 2. All right, here we go. All right, so just got a new 30-minute candle just open, NYSE. So now we wait. Gonna wait for a closure, okay? Let's check out the 15 real quick. This is good. This is good. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. So far, we're looking good. We're getting a good drive up. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back again. Sorry about that. Target might get slapped. Ooh, pushing. We are pushing. It's like we're gonna slap that first target. Gonna have to move it and adjust. But again, this is why we wait for closures, because we could end up pulling back, closing about here, then we would have no need to change the targets. But if we close up near the target, then we'll adjust it. But for now, we wait patiently. goes the first target. First target slapped. I'm expecting us to pull back some though. I'm expecting us to pull back. I don't think we'll slap target 2 before 10 o'clock. Like, I don't think that'll happen. But we'll see. We'll see. It's a lot of momentum. A lot of volume pushing us up. I really want it to come down. Give us a decent 4-hour wick, you know? If it can maybe close about right here, that'd be great. But we'll wait, be patient. We're not gonna rush it. Took a loss yesterday. Let's try not to make it 2 losses in a row. So we're gonna wait. You're gonna wait patiently. All right. This is good. And a good pullback. But we're also going to get a new 15-minute candle in 3 minutes. All right. So let's just be patient. Sorry about that. I was on mute. Yeah, I like this. I like this setup. I like everything that's happening. Buys are valid. We're pulling back, creating a top wick. All we need is this last 15-minute candle to stay below. Don't keep driving up. If it keeps driving up, the 10 o'clock candle could most likely open without a bottom wick. It'll just keep going. So let's hope for the best. If we get the play we're looking for, we'll have some good buys today. But as usual, no rush. If you want to be that cowboy trader, jump in at 9:30, you know what I'm saying, and Try to grab all of this. I like to wait. It's a lot more patience. Wait for one perfect setup or two perfect setups, and then we'll get in. My shit fire. Buenos dias, my boy. Had that too loud, my fault. What's good though? Good morning. We looking for trades. 10 o'clock. Market looks very clean today. Very clean. I wouldn't want to get on the flip of this candle because it's the last 15-minute candle. It could go up. You could grab 10, but I'm still thinking we're going to close somewhere in this area. So you don't want to get caught in a push up and then a pull back and then a bottom wick at 10. And it's just, you don't want to play with that. So wait till 10 and then we'll definitely find some entries. OD. The playlist is popping now, man. The playlist is lit. It's just vibes. It's like a good early morning. All I'm missing is my coffee. See, it is getting that push, but it's not a strong push. It's not a valid push up. It's gonna just kind of flutter here. It's like the last 15 minutes. We got a little over 12 minutes left, so everything is sitting pretty. We got a good closure above, so well, not yet the closure because the closure is gonna happen at 10 o'clock, obviously. But we broke above, we broke highs. We just need to close above at 10, and we are good to go. Let's take a look at some of the other charts. See what's going on. Gold's been trying to recover a little bit from lower lows from last night. If you guys recall, I want you to just understand everything I've been drawing out for Bitcoin has played out. All right. This is just a master class on market analysis. Just good overall market analysis. Let's just go into it. Just one at a time real quick. We got this rising flag pattern, which I always kept saying. This is a bullish sign, right? And then not too long after that, we got another rising flag pattern, which was, of course, rising flag pattern is a bearish sign. We got another rising flag pattern, which was, again, a bearish sign, right? So at this point, we broke the lows. We were at the lows, at support. And it was around this time that I called out this head and shoulders. And ever since, everything's playing itself through, right? And then just recently, I drew this wedge. This is called a wedge, right? This wedge right here. Now, my bias is overall, I thought we were going to break out of the wedge and then push back down. But it's still valid. It's still valid to hit 14K. That's still my goal. All right. From here, we're probably going to push up to about I'd say we might reach 21.5. And then we're going to see a major drop. Major drop. So just keep this posted. Remember I said this. And, you know, keep your eye out. Just keep going. GPJPY has been pretty slow. Euro USDs, not too much action. USD also not too much action. All right, so let's take a look at the Dow. That Dow hourly turned doji. Watch, we're gonna see the same thing pretty much as happened to the NAS. Yep. Now, how upset would you people have been if we had a buy stop placed and then, so you have to trust your confluences. You don't trade the last 15 minutes, then don't trade the last 15 minutes. That's how I think I got like 2 of my losses doing some dumb shit like that. But it's all good. This is all still valid though. Understand that. It's all still valid. We are coming down, but we still have 8 minutes, a little over 8 minutes. This candle could just come right back up. All right. Sorry about that. I think something flew in my room. Hoo, 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 hoo. See, like I said, still valid. Everything's still kind of working in our favor. Although we came down, all we did was test the lows again. But this was amazing. Like, this is one of those days that you just have to take advantage of, because everything's just moving perfectly. Feel me? But even if you have everything kind of set up, you still have to make sure that you find a good entry. Got that shit. This big ass fly just Take over my room. All right, we got one more 5-minute candle, right? This is it. We got 5 more minutes left until 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we get a new 4-hour candle. So far, if we look at the 4-hour chart, we do have a good top wick, but we're still below this closure area that I said I want to close above, right? So if we break at it, if we close just at it, buys could still be valid, but I'm going to lose a little bit less confidence in them. So, yeah. So that's the trade idea. Let's just get this W real quick. Hopefully we could get runners to take us all the way up. That would be phenomenal. Phenomenal. Give me 1 second. I know I keep coming back and forth, but today is just a crazy day for me. All right, sorry about that. Sorry about that. We got 1 more minute left. We got 1 more minute. Yo, 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 my boy Sid in the building. What's good, my blees? What's good? Yeah, so we're not looking good. We're not looking good. We looked good at first. We were breaking all these highs. We hit target 1. But we pulled all the way back, managing to close back in the range I did not want to close in. But it could still be valid. This is still a valid trade, though, because the thing is, we've been continuously bullish. We broke the highs. At this point, we could just fill the wick, right? Fill the wick and then continue on. So, again, like I said, it gives me cause to pause us closing below. But it being a 4-hour trade, and the trend has been we've been filling all the wicks bullish. I'm gonna try to set a buy stop, guys. Oh shit, that was fast. All right, came back down. Okay, come on, give us sell stops. Give us a bottom wick. Excuse me. Give us a good bottom wick. Okay, this is good. This is very good. 30-point bottom wick. Okay. $11.4. 34. Wow, no. Whoa. See, here goes the problem with closing below. Yep, no buy stops. What we'll do is we're going to wait till 10:15. All right. Too much of a bottom wick. Again, I still think trade is valid, but stop loss would be way too massive for us. I wouldn't want to trade this. It's crazy. No way. my water? Alright, sorry about that. I'm still partial to believing we're going to flip and push up. I still think bars are valid. It's just, this is a very big wick. Look at this, 84 points. It's crazy. It just dropped. Just dropped it like a bad habit. It's going to be interesting to see how this new 15 minutes going to candle. New 15-minute candle is going to open. Excuse me. I'm like mumbling over my words today. Market's doing a lot of sideways movement today. That's a fact. It's a fact. Got about 3 more minutes. 3 minutes. We'll be looking for another entry, guys. There's 2 minutes left, guys. Honestly, getting a new 15 in the next 30 seconds. I don't see a valid trade. Everything is too choppy now. The buys were valid, but us breaking down so far as we did for the 10 o'clock hour really threw a wrench in our game plan. Everything was smooth at first, but that push down really fucked us up. Here's a new 15. We're just in a range, this sideways movement, like Sid said. So yeah, today's a risky day. Today is a risky day. Let's take a look real quick if there's anything that popped up with news. That's what it is. You know what? I'm a fucking idiot. My mind was all over the place. I forgot that we had the news at 10 o'clock. And that's what made that move. It wasn't that we had a wrong analysis. News came out and caused this. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. The actual was greater than forecast. But that's, again, always the problem. News could be good and still end up dropping price, right? So home sales are good. Consumer confidence looks good. It's higher than the previous. So that's what happened. So basically news took us out. News is what made us drop back as far as we did. But it's all good. It's definitely all good. I want to say I am looking for gold sells. This is just, I'm gonna just throw this out there. All right, I'm looking for some gold sells right now. I'm not gonna take it on stream. It's not gonna affect our strategy or nothing else, you know. But I do. Could be wrong though, but who knows? We'll see. Could absolutely be wrong. I'm gonna try it out. Put a trade in my demo. All right, so for anybody that's here, if y'all watching, y'all checking me out, you're wondering what we're looking for, what we're waiting for. News came out at 10 o'clock, and that news caused us to make this big red candle, this big drop. We created this big top wick and this green candle at 9 o'clock, at 9:30 with NYSE, and we were expecting to get a push to continue us up, right? But then news came out. Although news was good, I'm guessing we chose to grab some liquidity, right? And now we're pushing back up. Like I said before, usually I would want to just have a buy stop placed above the high. It's just that stop loss is way too massive. Way too massive. Right? So it is what it is. All we could do now is wait for a new 30-minute candle. And the only way something would be valid for me, because again, the bias is bullish, right? Similar like earlier, before the news came out, I would want a closure above. I need a closure above. I need a closure above, all right? So if we could get that, we'll be in for some more buys. If not, probably just gonna call it a day, man. It is what it is. News came out. We didn't catch the move, but the move that we wanted also didn't show up. So it's not like we missed anything. It just is what it is. It's always tomorrow, you know. And such is life. I find myself saying that saying a lot now. Such is life, man. It is what it is. was telling my mans the other day, the beauty of it though with the market is you really never miss an opportunity. The market's open 24/7. The market does the same thing every day, usually. So if you don't catch something today, we'll catch something tomorrow, right? It's not a big deal. Again, we need that closure above, so it's all we're waiting for. It's very simple. Waiting for a closure above, we could look for some good buys. I want to gotta try to make trading as easy as possible. Trading is not overall easy. It's actually very difficult. There are a lot of things you need to know, but I want to make it as easy as possible for anybody that sees the market. Like I'm looking for this at this time, looking for that at this time. If this and this is not there, we don't look for a trade. If this and this and this is valid, trades are valid. Simple, right? Double check our support resistances. See if we have range. Then lastly, all you're looking for is a good entry. Whoa, excuse me. Got 5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes. The last 5-minute candle for this current 30-minute, and we're pushing. Let's push. Let's keep going. Let's close above, and we will be looking for buys. This is great because we're getting a 30-minute flip, as well as an hourly flip, as well as a 4-hour flip, right? So we have an amazing bottom wick created for us, right? So now while we're waiting for the 30-minute, so that we can get a new chance at a stop loss, a new valid stop loss, right? Not a 90-point, 80-point stop loss. That's insane. So that's it, and that is literally it. Let's just wait for the closure. If we get a closure, we're gonna be in for sure. If not, fuck it. We live to trade another day. We still got 3 days left for the week. All right, so it all is what it is. Got about 3 more minutes, guys. 3 minutes. This is stressful. This is stressful. I don't think we're gonna close. I don't think we're gonna close above. I don't think we are. I think the move is going to come maybe around 11, 12. So far, we got a record of 60%. 60% for the month. We've only taken 14 trades. Next month, I'm going to do a lot better on actually writing down the amount of pips that I lose and win with all the trades that I put on stream. I'm not doing it now, unfortunately. But I need to be able to calculate by the end of the month how many positive points did we have on our losses. Like, if you followed every trade, would you have been in the positive or the negative by the end of the month? You know, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to definitely try to keep track of that. Because I have no idea. We have 10 losses. We have 10 wins, 4 losses. But if you really think about it, like, I mean, all my streams are up, so you could watch all of them. But for other traders that have records and all this shit, like, you can have 10 wins, but then if your 4 losses, you know, if every single one of them you lost like 60, 70 points, you know, your 4 losses could outweigh your 10 wins, right? Because overall our strategy is 10 points and that's it, right? So we have 5 winning trades of 10 points, right? That's 50 points. And we take 1 loss for 40 points, you know? That 5-1 record is a sham. It's a hoax. Because, yeah, you got, you know, those wins, but then you're also not getting a lot of points. Thing I could say with me is, at least this month, we might have had maybe 3 or 4 runners. Maybe 3 or 4 runners. Yeah, but as we kind of called it, you can see we're closed below. We did not close bullish. Bias overall, for me personally, is still bullish, but with news, you see what happened with news. We just shot down. How much was this? Shot down 90 points. Right? So there's no point trading it. We can come back tomorrow better and stronger. Really, today there was no opportunity for entries. None at all. We didn't have any opportunity for entries. I mean, if you want to put a sell stop here, right? I could see that. Maybe try to follow the news. But again, my bias is bullish, so it's like it's going against my confluences, right? So yeah, I would not do that. I'm gonna try to look throughout the day, you know, just keep my eye on it. Maybe set some alerts, because if we do close above and we get that 4-hour flip, so we've got till 2 p.m. to actually flip, you know. So I'm gonna try to keep my eye out on that. But anywho, I am gonna call it a day. Right? Call it a day. Don't overtrade, guys. I mean, technically it's not overtrading because we didn't even put any trades in, but it is what it is. Try not to have FOMO. Try to, just wait till tomorrow, man. Markets aren't going anywhere. But anywho, that baby on baby 2 go hard. So let's play some of that. Let's play some of that. But anywho, everybody be blessed. Go tell someone you love them. Go have a great day. Go work out. Go do something productive. And yeah, be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.
That shit was childish. The day before she say the Tory Lane shot, I was fucking on Megan Thee Stallion. Waited to say the shit on my next album. Hit it the day before too, but I kept it play, ain't say nothing about it. Had a pretty boyfriend tweeting me, ready to dab out the bitch like a cow. I told you niggas don't play, now you gon' have to handle me. I poked the motherfucking bear, I'm an animal. Rock out on you, make you dance like Diana. I'm having hoes that's gon' do what I say, they are not gonna argue with me, they got manners. You're not coming in with that phone, don't do cameras. I ain't in the mood to be taking no pictures. I'm way too smooth, having my way with the bitches. You don't wanna be on my shit list. I'm having bitches on bitches. I'm having bitches who blood, yeah. I'm having bitches who crips, yeah. I ain't tripping, nigga, baby, don't bang, Big 40 and a crazy ass chain. Nigga, don't walk up on me with that mask on your face, get the shit blown off, nigga, baby, don't play. Back on my shit, this that baby on baby. I think I'm the shit, you can blame it on babe. I'm ready to blow every time I pull out, you can come and find out, bitch, I stay where I stay. Whip cold and it came with the skates. Project, baby, bitch, I stay by the lake. Bitch made, niggas know a hater gon' hate. They ain't fucking with Jonathan, mama. You play with me, oh goddamn. Shut the lights off, boogie man. You play with me, oh goddamn. Cut the lights off, boogie man. I know these rapping ass niggas be hating, but they can do shit with me, mama. I pulled up 2 chains with 6 bracelets. Play, I'm gon' bring the bitch right about him. Yeah, I'm a new it getting tired. I like my bitch from the bottom. You think you could like me, little nigga, you're not. This little bitch that I'm with is a model. The first one you fuck niggas play. I'ma get front row seats to your next show and come blow on you. Fuck nigga down on the stage. The day you call my bluff, that's the day you gon' lay. I was there rolling out, shutting down the whole damn show. Tried to make me have a problem with gays. Mixed up my words, made a nigga lose a whole 30 million. Now I'm back and I'ma say what I say. Bitch nigga, you play with me. Oh goddamn. Shut the lights off, boogie man. You play with me. Oh goddamn. Cut the lights off, boogie man. You play with me. Oh goddamn. I don't know what. Shut the lights off. Fucking mind, man. Niggas wanna play with me, man. You know? Play with me. I just be minding my business. I know I'm coming. 100 miles a runner, baby.
I will never, ever talk to you again, cause you dead ass motherfucking wrong. Bitch, I know you see me calling your motherfucking phone and you ain't answering. Yeah, you got me fucked up.
Yeah, fucking on with no condom, yeah. I be fucking on with no, fucking on with no, fucking on with no, fucking on with no.
Oh Lord, just
go,
made
nigga, baby.
another one.
Don't need no new baby mamas.
Not right now, you know what I'm saying?
Still, I be fucking on her with no condom.
Oh no.
That's how she told me she wanted. Let's go. If we do have a kid, she ain't ugly, no. And plus the bitch told me she love me. Let's go. I'm talking about she bad too, yeah. Bitch got a bag too. I'm only gon' do this with you, bitch. You better not be doing this with all of me. Doing this with them. When I first hit you raw, was through. You was gangster till then, now you all in your feelings. Me too. Gotta cut back on calling them bitches. You better not be calling them niggas. Bitch, you said you wanted a dog, you gon' get him. Said you wanted a dog, you gon' get him. Bitch, you better make me sit down. I bring this chocolate shit back, bitches know how I get down.
Don't play them with me, keep it player, bitch, cause I know how you get down too.
Let's go. Shit ain't in the working round one, shit, fuck it. I'ma spin the block to get round 2. Ever since I hit you raw last week, I've been having good luck since I've been around you. Don't need no new baby mamas. Don't need no new baby. Still, I be fucking on her with no condom. That's how she told me she wanted. Let's go. If we do have a kid, she ain't ugly, no. And plus the bitch told me she love me. Yeah. I'm talking about she bad too, yeah. Bitch got a bag too. Let's go.